Are you worried might be too late for you to have a baby after 35? Maybe you are in your late 20s or early 30s wondering if you should rush into pregnancy now, or maybe you're already past 35 and struggling with the thought, what if I missed my chance? You're not alone. I meet women every week from Nagpur to Dubai, from London to Abu Dhabi, who sit in front of me with the same question. Doctor, can I really have a safe pregnancy after 35? I am Dr. Swadha Kutpalliwar, gynecologist and fertility specialist at Auradale Clinic. Today, I will tell you the truth about pregnancy after 35, the real risks, the myths we need to let go of, and how women across India and abroad are planning pregnancies confidently even in their late 30s and early 40s. Why this matters. More women today are delaying their motherhood. Some focus on their educations and careers first, some wait for the right partner, and some choose stability before starting a family. All of these choices are valid, but biologically, fertility declines with age, and society often adds unnecessary pressure with scary statements like you're too old now. That is why this topic matters, because truth is not as black and white as people make it sound. With awareness, planning, and medical support, pregnancy after 35 is possible and can be safe. Myths versus realities. So most common myth is pregnancy after 35 is impossible, whereas the fact is many women conceive naturally after the age of 35. Fertility is lower than in your 20s, but pregnancy is very much possible, both naturally and with help if needed. Myth 2. Every woman over 35 needs IVF. Not true. IVF is needed only in specific situations: blocked tubes, poor egg quality, failed IUIs, or certain male factor issues. Many women after 35 conceive naturally or with simple treatment like ovulation tracking or IUI. Myth 3. Pregnancy after 35 means complications. Now, risks like miscarriage, gestational hypertension, diabetes may increase, but with modern screening and early antenatal care, these risks can be identified and managed. So instead of fear, what we need is facts and right care. The real risks. Now, let us be honest about the risks. After 35, egg count and quality decline, making conception slower. Miscarriage risk is slightly higher compared to younger women. Pregnancy complications like high blood pressure and gestational diabetes are more common. Chromosomal abnormality like Down syndrome have a higher chance. But here is the key. Risk does not mean inevitability. With the right checkup, monitoring, and care, we can handle most of these challenges. In fact, I have had international patients from Australia and UK who specifically come to India for IVF because treatment here is more affordable. Yet, quality and safety are at par with global standards. Many went home with healthy babies even after the age of 35. Medical guidance and planning. So, what should women do if they are planning a pregnancy after the age of 35? Pre-conception checkup. A full health and fertility evaluation, including AMH, thyroid, sugars, hemoglobin, lifestyle support, a balanced diet, exercise, and stress management improve both natural fertility and IVF outcomes. Screening during pregnancy. Anti-scan, dual marker, anomaly scan are done routinely today and gives clarity early. Egg freezing is an option. I have patients from UAE and Singapore who have frozen their eggs in their early 30s and returned later to plan a family with confidence. Stay emotionally supported. The decision itself can feel heavy. So involve your partner and don't hesitate to ask your doctor every single question. Pregnancy after 35 is not the end of your dreams. It's just a phase where awareness and planning matter more. Yes, fertility is lower than your 20s. Yes, the risks are higher. But with today's medical care, planned pregnancies, planned screenings, and lifestyle support, women in their late 30s or even in early 40s are having safe pregnancies both in India and globally. Whether you are in Nagpur, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, or London, know this: you don't have to choose fear. You can choose information, preparation, and hope. If this video gave you clarity, share it with someone who might be struggling with some doubts, and subscribe for more on women's health and fertility guidance. I am Dr. Swadha Kutpalliwar, and remember, I am here to walk with you one step at a time.